Hello students, this is your English literature class. Today I am going to teach the summary of poem The Little Land. So let's start. The little land. When at home alone I sit and am very tired of it. I have just to shut my eyes to go sailing through the skies, to go sailing far away to the pleasant land of play, to the fairy land afar where the little people are, where the clover tops are trees, and the rain pools are the sea, and the leaves like little ships sail about on teeny trips, and above the daisy tree, through the grasses high overhead, the bumblebee hums and passes. So, in this, in first stanza, when at home alone I sit, it means the poet is sitting alone in his home and am very tired of it, and he is very tired. I have just to shut my eyes, means ही हैव जस्ट शट यानी वे अपनी आँख को बंद करते हैं. टू गो सेलिंग थ्रू द स्काईज, टू गो सेलिंग फार अवे, इट मीन्स वो सेलिंग करने के लिए, तैरने के लिए वो स्काईज में जाते हैं, आसमान. टू गो सेलिंग फार अवे टू द प्लेजेंट लैंड ऑफ प्ले, इट मीन्स वो ऐसी जगह जाते हैं जो बहुत ही प्लेजेंट है, बहुत ही सुंदर है, लैंड ऑफ प्ले. To the fairy land afar where the little people are, and there is a fairy land afar, and where the little people, it means छोटे छोटे जो peoples हैं वो वहाँ पे हैं. So where the clover tops are trees and the rain pools are the sea. So here the poet is going where there are three leaves plants are there. It means clover means, here you can see a plant with three leaves. It means there is a plants with three leaves, and the rain pools are the sea, and the leaves like little ships, and the leaves are like a ships, you can see in picture. Okay, so जो पत्ते हैं वो छोटे छोटे नाव की तरह हैं, शिप्स की तरह. Sail about on teeny tips, and above the daisy tree, through the grasses high overhead, the bumblebee hums and passes. So here, sail about on teeny trips. It means छोटे छोटे जो यात्राएं होती है, teeny trips. So through the lips. Okay. So here we are comparing the lips to ship. छोटे छोटे जो शिप्स होते हैं वो यहाँ पे पत्ते का काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, जो पोएट है वो पत्ते पे तैरना चाहता है. ओके, सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द इमेजिनेशन स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, जो पोएट है वो इमेजिनेशन कर रहा है एंड ही इज स्लीपिंग. ओके, वो सोए सोए क्या कर रहा है, सपना देख रहा है और इन सारी चीज़ों को इमेजिन कर रहा है. ओके, सो व्हेन माय आईज आई वंस अगेन ओपन एंड सी ऑल थिंग्स प्लेन, हाई बेयर वॉल्स, ग्रेट बेयर फ्लोर, ग्रेट बिग knobs on drawer and door. So when the eyes of the poet is opening, he saw the reality, and he saw that the high bare walls. Okay, bare means without any covering. It means there is no any cover, it is looking everything, uh, whatever scenes he had seen earlier. So high bare walls, get bare floor, and great big knobs on drawer and door. So whatever earlier the things are there, drawer and door is he has seen. So great big people perch on chairs, stitching tucks and mending tears. So great people perch on chair. So many peoples come to take rest on chair, and stitching tucks on mending tears. Each a hill that I could come climb, and talking nonsense all the time. So it is like a joke. So everything whatever he seen in his dream, uh, all thing he thinks that all thing is nonsense. Oh dear me, that I could be a sailor on the rainbow sea, a climber in the clover tree, and just come back a sleepy head late at night to go to bed. So everything whatever he has seen in dream, he when he came to reality, so he knows that everything is nonsense. Okay, so this poem is by Robert Louis Stevenson. Thank you.